Hi, I'm Brian Green, and the title of this video is I-594 is treason. Now, why do I say that I-594 is treason? There's a few reasons for this. One of the biggest reasons is that this is what is known as a bill of attainder. Now, bills of attainder are prohibited under Article 1, Sections 9 and 10 of the United States Constitution and Article 1, Section 23 of the Washington State Constitution. A bill of attainder is a legislative act directed against a designated person, pronouncing him guilty of an alleged crime without trial or conviction, according to the recognized rules of procedure, and passes sentence of death and attainder upon him. Now, this also covers bills of pains and penalties which are less than death. So basically what this says is that they cannot make laws that deprive you of your property or your rights without a proper trial. So even putting this bill up is, well, it's an insurrection against the Constitution of the United States and of Washington State. So that is an insurrection. Insurrection is a treasonous act.
Billionaires in the state of Washington, including Michael Bloomberg, Bill Gates, and others, have spent $8 million to get a gun control initiative, Initiative 594, on Washington State's November ballot.
Huh? If you have, just put Vancouver. I don't care. They don't look at all the signatures anyways. Okay.
Now, most people in our society have been raised to believe that we live in a democracy. Now, that's not true. A democracy is two wolves and a sheep voting on what's for dinner. So we do not live in a democracy. We live in a republic. And in a republic, we have inalienable rights. That means that they cannot legislate those rights away, they cannot interpret those rights away, and they cannot make laws and rules that take those rights away from you. Otherwise, it is treason. So, do with that what you will. How's that sound?
You dressed so nice, I thought you were like a...
Well, take a picture of this guy.
I apologize.
Jerk!
Yeah. See, he's fat. He's fat on his... Okay.
Oh yeah, there he is. There they are. There they are. Check them out. Just conspiring to keep everybody out.
Tyranny.
Yeah, yeah.
The first time this has happened. You guys,
Oh yeah, they're into it. They're into it. Keep them out.
it's your first day on the job.
Gun registration is always followed by confiscation. The Constitution is clear. The right to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. This is very simple to understand and shouldn't require a remedial reading class. Now, the Constitution also states that any laws or rules that run contrary to the Constitution are notwithstanding. That means null and void. And this has been upheld by court cases all the way from the founding of our country up until today. So, once again, putting these laws up for vote or to bring them to legislation at all is treason. Here's a clip of me speaking at a forum about police militarization and the upcoming gun bill, 594. And they have been bringing in ungodly amounts of military equipment into the county, into all of our counties and cities. There are 2 MRAPs in this county. And what that is for, I have no idea. I mean, unless they are going to go after the drug cartels, I can't see any reason for that kind of stuff. Unless, when they come for the guns, they're going to need that stuff. That is the only reason I can really think of. Now, I must say that I'm shocked. I'm shocked at many of the responses that I've seen on the internet regarding my campaign, and basically people's lack of knowledge of the law and of our republic. It appears to me that many people believe that we live in a communist system. We do not live in a communist system. Once again, we live in a republic. So, if you like this communist form of government, then you should move to North Korea with your good pal, Kim Jong-un. And you should leave us alone, because we like it here in our republic with our guns and our free speech and our freedoms. So, I don't know where you got this idea that other people are so much smarter than we the people. You know, our elected representatives are only supposed to represent us to a certain point. They are not supposed to live our lives for us and rule over us. They are not our rulers. They are our servants. So, I can understand how this has come about. It's been 3 generations now of us being taught that socialism is the way. This all runs contradictory to our constitutions. So if you want the republic, then start living by the republic. Start bringing these people to justice. Take them to task. Don't let them bring bills of attainder anymore or cross the Constitution. It's up to you. You are the ones that are letting this republic go. And you are the ones that can save it. God bless, and have a good evening.